Welcome to the fabulous Philippines, where just about everything is super safe, except for riding around in one of these sidecars. But it is kind of fun.
In 2 blocks, I'm gonna go from this to this. A lot of people will tell you Bonifacio Global City is only nice because it's an oasis of modern convenience, just snuggled in between the subpar, overcrowded, outdated infrastructure barren guys, but I am telling you guys that is just not true. BGC is a wonderful city because that's exactly what it is. It's clean, it's safe, it's nice, it's new, it's modern, right? You don't have gangs of illegal migrants taking over your condo buildings or eating your pets or zombie drug addicts just milling about the street. There's no crack houses, there's no shootings. It's a nice city, regardless of what country it's in. Much better than just about any American city I've visited. But I could have the same amenities in Miami. No, you can't, unless you want to pay 6, 7, or 8 times more to live there.
There's plenty of swank, upscale, and chill nightlife in BGC. However, when we go out on the town, we usually kick it in Poblacion Makati. Start off a little slow, play some pool, listen to some rock music, get some drinks going, and just hang out a bit and wait for the crew to show up. It's gonna roll with you and make it a throwdown night. And most nights, that means meeting up with channel members and or running nightlife tours. It's often epic, all-nighter, don't stop till the sun comes up kind of nights here in Metro Manila.
We are blowing out of lips. Rolling up Burgos, baby. It's insane when it's like 12:30 and the night is young in Manila and we're already half fucking lit and we're rolling up the heart of the red light district. What can I say? Night is young.
Very young.
Nightclub, baby.
Weekends in Manila almost always mean a roll through one of the nightclubs. Yeah, and we don't hit the spot alone. We're rolling with crew. Everybody chips in, no one breaks the bank, we all get a nice table to chill at, throw a couple bottles on it, get things lit up before we roll out to after hours. What we pay for the table actually includes everything we consume in the club, which is why they call it a consumable fee. If you order too much and exceed your consumable fee, well, you just pay the menu price for it. Most of these clubs offer a lot of different types of seating options, like upstairs or downstairs. You can get one of the big VIP couches, one that just seats 4, 5, or 6 people, or just throw down in the middle of the mix with a standing cocktail table.
I'm taking all these girls up to Sikador, bro.
Man, have fun.
I hope so.
Be safe.
I wish I could just go home.
I know.
It's only have sex. It's raining. I got girls like paid for it. They had to pay for this shit right there. This is my bro.
Oh my god!
Look at her. Umbrella.
Oh my god!
All the girls, all those. I know. And this is Manila at 5:20 fucking morning. It's 5:20, bro. It's not like it's 3 in the morning.
How much I gotta pay?
It's $10 a head.
Oh, I can pay for that.
You gotta talk to Nick.
All right, here we go. After hours, we're gonna be in this joint until way past the sun comes up, and you can see why the girls wanna come here. Yeah, they don't throw you out for dirty dancing in this spot. Although on second thought, I don't think they throw you out of anywhere for dirty dancing in Manila. But things do kind of end up on the floor here, if you know what I'm saying. You might be thinking that weekends always seem to be jumping off in Manila, and they definitely are. But in a spot like this place is going to have a packed crowd just about every night of the week after 3 or 4 a.m. and up until like 6, 7, 8 in the morning. I am not kidding. Manila is a super late night town. They got people working all kinds of shifts all around the clock, 24/7.
Kind of a little rainy Sunday morning, 8:30, almost 9 a.m. And why am I at Shooter Sports Bar? Well, we were out drinking till like the f***ing sun came up. And then like 3-4 hours after the sun came up, we're still drinking. And now we're in the goddamn Shooter Sports Bar to watch the UFC fight. I would say shameful, but having a good time.
I wish I would break his hands. No, because that's kind of like my feeling.
Rice is life. Insane, huge order of fish and chips. Like, really? Bean sprouts, super cheap. This is like 50 cents. I make a lot of dishes with these. Let's take a look. If I'm cooking for her, I'll use one of these rolls. It's 25 pesos for 6 of these. You can see they're baking their rolls fresh every day. And those rolls, they cost half to a quarter of what it'll cost in the regular store. We'll avoid cooking with oils for the most part, but I do use a beef tallow that I make myself. Melt down the tallow and a touch of this chili oil. Saute the bean sprouts in that. Throw a little salt and garlic powder in there. Usually the organic eggs are 10 pesos each. So 20 pesos for 2 eggs. A little salt, pepper, some more garlic powder. She doesn't like her toast too crispy. Put the bean sprouts right on top. And the egg goes on top of that. This goes good with a little cream cheese or even some roasted red chili pepper. I mean, it's just basically 3 open-faced egg sandwiches, although sometimes I make this into an omelet. I'll throw in some onions. If you throw a little cream cheese on there, it's going to push your per portion cost up to about 58 pesos or $1 per serving. Not bad. This is so street level, so Filipino. Now we're talking street food, but not just regular old street food. We're talking next level smorgasbord Filipino cuisine. Like, look at all this. There's like, what, 20 dishes laid out right here. Getting like super street level food at 5:30 in the morning in the barangay, like a 5-minute walk from your spot. That's a win. Going home at 8, 9, 10, 11 a.m., that's not a win. It's Manila, baby. It's like some kind of cabbage.
No, it's not cabbage.
Bean sprout.
No.
I don't know what the fuck that is, but it's delicious as fuck. What is that?
It's a heart. Heart.
The heart of what? The banana?
Banana, yeah.
That's banana heart. Shredded banana heart. And there's definitely some vinegar and marinade in there, and
Not marinated, but they just
No.
use the vinegar.
it's absolutely delicious. Oh, thank you, babe. And then somehow I got this fucking soup out in front of me. What the fuck is this, Nikki? Come on, taste it. Steam's coming off this bitch, and it's hot out.
I don't like the cabbage.
All right, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try the soup. Hold
I
on.
mean, it's a
Chinese style. Hot. And it's all right. It's good. It's beef soup. Like, and then she's giving me shit because I don't let her eat rice, and she sends her rice back. I'm like, you're a fucking king, baby doll.
tuna.
And then like 30 seconds later, she's ripping into a banana. Fucking Filipinas, man.
Epakti ko yung
You think Latinas are nuts? Oh my God, wait till you marry one of these girls. It doesn't get more Filipino than this. Street food in the Philippines, like you're rolling the dice. It takes years to develop that iron stomach. You know what I'm saying?
Just want to say thanks so much for checking out this video. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel or joining this channel as a member for all kinds of extra perks and hundreds of members only videos. The stuff I can't show you on public YouTube anymore.